The fourth proportional to 4, 6, 8 is, now you can do it by two methods. You can say let the fourth proportion be x. So 4 by 6 is equals to 8 by x. So x is equals to 8 into 6 upon 4. That will be 12. Or otherwise you can try the options. तो पहला ऑप्शन ले लिया 12. तो 4 by 6 रेशो क्या आएगा? 4 by 6 2 by 3. तो 8 बाय क्या करना पड़ेगा कि रेशो 2 by 3 आना चाहिए. तो 8:12 करेंगे तो रेशो 2 by 3 आता है. 8:32 कर रहे हैं तो रेशो 1 by 4 आएगा. 8:48 कर रहे हैं तो रेशो 1 by 6 आएगा. तो ये दोनों केसेस नहीं है. With this we are getting the same ratio. So this is your answer. So these are two methods. You can solve it by x. You can solve it by trying out the options. Next, the third proportional to 12, 18. Now see, when we are talking about the third proportional, 12, 18, and let the third proportional be x. So if three numbers are in proportion, then they are actually in continued proportion. That is, 12 by 18 is equals to 18 by x. So x is equals to 18 into 18 upon 12. 324 by 12. तो 27 आपका आंसर आ गया. तो ये एक मेथड है. दूसरी मेथड क्या है? वापस आप ऑप्शन ट्राई करोगे तो 12 by 18 रेशो क्या आता है? 2 by 3. तो 18 by क्या होना चाहिए कि रेशो 2 by 3 आए? तो 18 by 27 ही तो रेशो 2 by 3 आएगा. तो 18 by 24 करके देखो. 18 by 24 is the ratio 2 by 3. नहीं, ये रेशो क्या हो गया? 3 by 4 हो गया ये. फिर 18:27 2 by 3 आता है. 18:36 1 by 2 आएगा. So this is your answer. Now the next one, the mean proportional between. Between का मतलब है 25 और 81 के बीच में ये mean proportional है. और अगर ये तीन जन proportion में है, इसका मतलब ये continued proportion है. इसका मतलब 25 by x is x by 81. That is x square is equals to 25 into 81. Now multiply and find out your answer. So it is 25 into 81 and answer is 2025. 2025 का अंडर रूट क्या आया? 45. "45 is your answer. Do we have 45? Yes. और ऑप्शन कैसे ट्राई करेंगे आप? If they are in proportion, then 25 upon 40 should be equal to 40 by 81. 25 by 40 is 5 by 8. And this is not 5 by 8. Then 25 by 50 is 1 by 2. And 50 by 81, no, it is not 1 by 2. So it is a wrong answer. Then let us try the next one. 25 upon 45 is 5 by 9. And 25 upon 81. Sorry, 45 upon 81. 45 upon 81 is also 5 by 9. And therefore 45 is the right answer. Now they are saying the number which has the same ratio to 26, that 6 has to 13. 6 as to 13 is the ratio. You want the number which has same ratio to 26. So what as to 26? So if I take this x upon 26 is equals to 6 by 13, then x will become 12. So See, 12 as to 26 is 6 as to 13. ओरली भी कर सकते हैं आप, तो इधर ऑप्शन नहीं दिया है, नन ऑफ दिस इज द आंसर. Next one, the fourth proportional to 2a, a square c. 2a, a square c, fourth proportional को मैं x ले लूंगी. So 2a upon a square is equals, sorry, is equals to c upon x. So x will be c into a square upon 2a. AC by 2 is your fourth proportion. Let us see if we have the answer. Yes, A is the answer. Like this, we can always solve these sums for the proportions. How many sums are these? थर्टी सम्स है. क्या लगता है हो जाएगा अभी? Yes. With options we can solve them more quickly. 9 sum. A by 3 is equals to B by 4 is equals to 7 by C. These are the three ratios which are equal. So A by 3 is equals to B by 4 is equals to 7 by C. C by 7, that is equal to K, I will say. So A by 3 is equals to K. So A is equal to 3K. Similarly, B is equal to 4K. And C is equal to 7K. We want to find out A plus B plus C upon C. (3K plus 4K plus 7K upon 7K. This is 14K because see this is 7, 7, 14K upon 7K. KK cancel, your answer is 2. See what is your answer? It is 2. Sum number 11, x as to y is equals to z as to w is 2.5 as to 1.5. So we can say x is equals to z is equals to 2.5 and y is equals to w is equals to 1.5. Now they want the value of x plus z upon y plus w. X plus z, y plus w, that is 2.5 plus 2.5, that is 5 upon 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3. 5 by 3. This is your answer, C. सेवेंटीन सम. ये क्योंकि पहले ही बोले तो जो आपको डाउट्स है वही हम लोग कर रहे हैं इसमें. If you have any other doubt, please tell me which one is your doubt. The sum of ages of 3 persons is 150. 10 years ago, their ages were in ratio 7 as to 8 as to 9. Find their present ages. ये आप ऑप्शन से भी बहुत जल्दी कर सकते हैं. पहले तो देखो कि इनका कौन से ऑप्शन में उनके एजेस का टोटल 150 है. 45 plus 50 is 95 plus 550. This is 150. Now 10 years back, what was their age 10 years back? तो ये 45 वाला 35 होगा, 50 वाला 40 होगा और 55 वाला 45 होगा. Now, were there in ratio 7 as to 8 as to 9? Yes. Both the conditions are satisfied. This is your answer. अगर ये ले लेंगे तो ये भी 150 ही है. 10 साल पहले ये 30 साल का होगा, 50 और 40. ये तो 7 as to 8 as to 9 में नहीं है. फिर ये ले लेते हैं. इनके एडिशन वैसे भी क्या है 35 प्लस 45 80 80 प्लस 70 150। 10 साल पहले इनकी एज 25 35 और 60 होगी। दिस इज नॉट इन द रेशियो 7:8:9। ओनली ए इज योर आंसर। नेक्स्ट सम। एक्चुअली एक पहला आंसर आ जाए तो आप उसको टिक कर सकते हो, लेकिन हाँ जब ऑप्शन में ऑल ऑफ दीज आता है तब आपको सारे ऑप्शन ट्राई करने पड़ते हैं। बट हियर व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू, व्हाई एम आई ट्राइंग ऑल द ऑप्शन, सो दैट इट इज क्लियर टू यू। यस, नेक्स्ट सम, नेक्स्ट डिफिकल्टी। Question 27. Two numbers are in ratio 3:4. If 6 be added to each term of the ratio, the new ratio will be 4:5. So two numbers are 3:4. Let us take two numbers. Is 14:20 3:4? No. 17:19? No, both are prime. 18:24. Is it 3:4? Yes. 6 3s are 6 4s. If you add 6 to each term, अगर आपने 18 में 6 ऐड कर दिया तो आपको मिलेगा 24, और अगर आपने 24 में 6 ऐड कर दिया तो आपको मिलेगा 30। और अभी ये नए रेशो, इसका नया रेशो क्या होना चाहिए 4:5 है। 6 4s are 6 5s are. This is your answer 27. The next one is 29. Wow, this is very interesting. If a:2b is 4:1, then under root a by b plus b by a is equals to a:2b is equals to 4:1. मैं ऐसे भी ले सकती हूँ a is 4 b is 1 अंडर रूट a by b प्लस अंडर रूट b by a. This will be 4 by 1, that is 4, plus under root 1 by 4. So this is 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 plus 1 by 2 is 2.5, or this will be 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is the answer. और एक तरीका है यहाँ पे, आप इसको ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, लेकिन थोड़ा सा लंबा जाएगा। रूट ए अपॉन रूट बी इज इक्वल्स टू, सॉरी, प्लस रूट बी अपॉन रूट ए. So this will be a plus b upon under root a b, and you can solve this, but then this will take long time to solve, because then you will have to find a b and all that. So instead of that, this is very easy. और आप देखो, आपने अगर इधर भी वैल्यू डाल दिए, a को 4 और b को 1 डाल दिया, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 4 plus 1 into under root 4 into 1, that will be 5 upon under root 4 is 2. This is the answer. Your answer is A. 26. You can always put your 26 वैसे ही है जैसे हम लोगों ने अभी किया था। एक अभी एक सम 9th वाला जैसे था वैसे ही 26th वाला है। Same. I'll do it for you, no issues. So it is a by 4 is equals to b by 5 is equals to c by 9. Everything is equal to k. So a is 4k, b is 5k, c is 9k, a plus b plus c. So it is 4k plus 5k plus 9k. Whole thing upon c is 9k. 9k, 9k, 18k. upon 9k, k cancel, answer is 2. Already given. 30 थोड़ा सा अलग है, तो 30 शायद आया नहीं होगा आपको. Let us do sum number 30. It is x upon b plus c minus a is equals to y upon a plus b minus c plus a minus b is equals to z upon a plus b minus c. You have to find the answer for this. Let us write down 30 sum. X upon b plus c minus a is equals to y upon a plus c minus b is equals to z upon b plus c minus b plus a minus c. You have to show that b minus c x plus c minus a y plus a minus b z. You have to find the value. B minus c x plus a minus c y plus a minus b z. आपको इसकी वैल्यू निकालनी. I will set let this all thing be equal to a k. So x will be k into b plus c minus a. Y will be k into a plus c minus b. And z will be k into b plus a minus c. In this, because I want to find out the value of this, I'll put the value of x, y, and z. So I will get b minus c. This x is nothing but k into b plus c minus a plus a minus c. Y is k into a plus c minus b plus a minus b. Z is k into a plus b minus c. Now see this k is everywhere. I'll take k common and inside the bracket I'll multiply this. Now this b minus c will get multiplied by b plus c. It will become b square plus c square. I'm purposely multiplying this total. अदरवाइज क्या हो जाएगा, देखो ये b प्लस c को मैं हमेशा ब्रैकेट डाल सकती हूँ, a प्लस c को डाल सकते हैं, a प्लस b को डाल सकते हैं. वी नो b माइनस c b प्लस c इज b स्क्वायर माइनस c स्क्वायर. तो हम लोग इसको ब्रैकेट डाल के इनको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो वो आसान हो जाएगा हम लोगों के लिए. एंड देन आई विल से माइनस a इंटू ब्रैकेट b माइनस c प्लस a माइनस c a प्लस c विल बिकम a स्क्वायर माइनस c स्क्वायर and then minus b into bracket a minus c plus a square minus b square minus c into bracket a minus b b square minus c square minus ab plus ac plus a square minus c square minus ab plus bc plus a square minus b square minus ac plus bc. Now let us see if something is getting cancelled. This b square is getting cancelled. There is something wrong here because that was c minus a, तो वो गलत हो रहा है इधर. सम लिखते वक्त इधर गलती हो गई थी. ये है c minus a. Let us check the sum again. b minus c minus a and a minus b. b minus c minus a minus b. Now I'll put all the values. So it is b minus c k into x क्या है b plus c. मैं इसको ब्रैकेट डाल देती हूँ माइनस a so that I can multiply this inside. Plus c minus a y की जगह पे k into bracket a plus c, or I will write a plus c and c plus a is same, so I'll write this as c plus a minus b, और मैं इसको ब्रैकेट डाल दूंगी, प्लस a माइनस b, z की जगह पे आएगा k into bracket a plus b minus c. Now k is constant common, I've taken it common, b minus c into b plus c minus a plus c minus a into c plus a minus b plus a minus b into a plus b minus c. K into bracket b minus c, b plus c is b square minus c square minus a into bracket b minus c plus c minus a, c plus a is c square minus a square minus b into bracket c minus a plus a minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square minus c into bracket a minus b. So k, now see, this plus b square minus b square will get cancelled. This minus a square plus a square will get cancelled. And this c square and this c square has got cancelled. Now inside the bracket it is minus ab plus ac minus bc plus ab minus ac plus bc. ये भी cancel हो जाएगा, plus minus plus minus. So everything is k into 0, that is equal to 0. That is your answer, 0. एक्चुअली इसको इतना टाइम नहीं लगता क्योंकि मैंने इधर पहले लिखते वक्त गलत लिखा था, तो इसलिए हम लोगों का कुछ कट नहीं हो रहा था पहली बार जब कर रहे थे तब. Question 30 we have already done. Question 26 I have already told you. So is there anything else that we are supposed to do now, or it is over? I guess the exercise is over. Now as you have asked, so I'm telling you how to solve this without option. Question number 17. ये विदाउट ऑप्शन कभी कभी क्या होता है कि आपको अगर एग्जाम में नहीं समझ में आया कि ऑप्शन कैसे ट्राई करना है, तो विदाउट ऑप्शन भी ट्राई करते आना चाहिए. तो उन्होंने बोला है सम ऑफ द एजेस ऑफ 3 पर्सन इज 150. 10 years ago their ages were in the ratio 7:8:9. तो मैं उसको बोलूंगी 10 years ago their ages were in the ratio 7:8:9. If x is a common multiple, their ages 10 years back was 7x, 8x and 9x. अब आज तो 10 years hence है, plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. तो आज के ages क्या है? 7x plus 10, 8x plus 10, 9x plus 10. इसको ऐड कर दोगे आप. तो उन्होंने बोला इनके आज के एजेस के एडिशन 150 आती है. 7x plus 8x plus 9x plus 30 is equals to 150. 7x plus 8x is 15x plus 9x 24x is equals to 120. X is equal to 5. तो x अगर 5 है तो 10 साल पहले आपकी एजेस क्या थी? 35, 40 और 45. अभी 10 साल के बाद एजेस क्या होगी? 45, 50 एंड 55. तो ऑप्शन है क्या? देखो, हाँ 45, 50, 55 ये उनकी करंट एजेस है. ऑप्शन विथ ऑप्शन सॉल्व करना मतलब भी क्वेश्चन को एनालाइज ही करना पड़ता है. अगर आप विदाउट ऑप्शन सॉल्व कर रहे हैं तो भी आपको क्वेश्चन को एनालाइज ही करना पड़ता है. सिर्फ कभी कभी विथ ऑप्शन टाइम कम लगता है,